Here is the ceiling fan. And I added some decoupage onto the blades to match my room. I'm going to put on the light. And as you can see, there's different colors of lights. There are more of a yellow color and some are of a whiter, brighter color. And now I'm going to shut off the light and I'm going to turn on the fan. I think. Okay, now I'm going to turn on the fan. And as you can see in here, it's very quiet. This is speed 6. And I'm going to go with a speed 1. And now you can see it's slowing down. The only problem with this fan is that it was difficult to install because it's not like the traditional American style. And also this is very difficult for me to figure out, this remote control. But the fan works great. It doesn't make any sounds. As you can see, we have our grandchild who sleeps in our den when we babysit. And this fan is just quiet and really good. So I would buy this if I were you.
I'm obsessed with the ceiling fan, you guys. It has the timers down here, the light dimmable settings. It also comes with 3 different light options. So that's like the soft, warm light. And this one's the bright white. I can make the light brighter or decided to go with the black exterior, and then the interior is a brown, so you can flip the blades to match whatever color you want. And you can see that it's super close to the ceiling, so it has that flush mount effect, which I really like. This one is a 42-inch, and I'm going to be getting the 52-inch for my living room. This is setting number 1, and then I'm going to go to number 6, and you'll see the difference.
This is the remote.
It says first choose the light brightness and color temperature you want. Then turn off the light. Make sure the light is off for at least 10 seconds. At this point, the light settings are remembered and when the